Hello everybody and welcome back to a brand new video. So today I will be showing you how to get one Bitcoin for $2.50. So at the moment, one Bitcoin is worth $6,914 as of March 31st. However, if you use this technique correctly, you will be able to get one for just $2.50. So now I'm going to show you how. So first you're going to go to bitcoin.org and you're going to scroll down and go to developers, go to developer documentation, click on Reference, Bitcoin Core APIs, and go to Decode Script. So once you've gotten to Decode Script, which is right here, you're going to find the first link. So it says the Decode Script RPC decodes the hex encoded P2SH redeem script. So you're going to click on this link, redeem script. And it's going to take you to the link to buy your Bitcoin for $2.50. So after waiting for a few days, you will get this. So you can see I have the Bitcoin logo on the front, and then if I flip it over, I have the cryptocurrency markings on the back. So yeah, this is just a video to show you how to get a Bitcoin for $2.50. Bear in mind that this is an April Fool's video, and this is actually not valid Bitcoin. It's just a little commemorative coin for Bitcoin. If you would still like to buy it, there's a link in the description below. This video is not sponsored by Amazon or the people who make this Bitcoin or anything like that. I just did it for fun. So yeah, I hope you found this entertaining. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.